Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is in Warfare. So basically what this is organizers that actually put a lot of stuff inside right here, where they can put like documents or like your power bank or other stuff inside. You can definitely do all of that on here. And but the one that we got right here, they mentioned how it's like waterproof and fireproof, which is pretty awesome, which I'll test out both of them in a second. But this is basically what the packaging looks like right here. Let me actually open it up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so when we take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So when you guys see the material on here, it definitely feels very unique compared to like other bags or other products that I tested in the past. It definitely feels like a waterproof or fireproof kind of like material that they use on here. And then right here, they do have the little brand logo right there. If we turn in the back, you can see that this is basically what it looks like in the back. So definitely have a little strap that you actually put inside your luggage if you guys want to. And then on top part, they do have little handles. If you guys want to carry it around like this, you definitely can. But if you guys look at the side right here, and also on the other side as well, you can definitely use the strap that's provided for you guys probably inside the bag right here to use it like a little shoulder strap, which I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second. And if you can see it on top right here, they do have a lock option. So if you guys want to use that, you definitely can as well. So all you guys need to do is go like this, lock it in, and then now it's locked. If you guys want to release it, you guys want to put any combination on top right here, and then you want to press the button right here to release it. Just like that. But basically the way how you guys reset the code right here is by pushing the reset button right here. So let's say for example I want to lock it in first. If I want to change the combination on here, I need like a little small pen or something to press the reset button right here. Alright, so we just pressed it. So what we're going to do now is just change the combination to whatever you want. So let's say I want to change the middle number right here to 2. Alright, so the new combination will be 020. So I push this button right here. That will change the combination. So I try 000. If I try to lock it in, it won't let me lock it because we changed the combination to 020. So I change it back to 020. If we try again, now it works. So that is basically how you guys use the lock right here, and also how to reset the password on here or the code. And then the bottom, this is basically what it looks like. So I'm actually open up the bag first and show you guys what the inside looks like. So when we open up the inside, this is basically what it looks like. So right here is a shoulder strap. So I'll put that on in a second to show you guys how it looks like. But you see inside, there's definitely a lot of space for you guys to put a lot of stuff on here. So with this slot right here, maybe you can put like your documents or like your passport or something right here. And then all these compartments right here, you can definitely put like your credit card or some other cards inside right here. If you can see, it's very spacious and definitely put a lot of different cards inside right here. They mentioned how there's a total of 16 slots for you guys to put 16 cards in here if you guys want to. And right here, there's a total of 40 small mesh pockets. So you can definitely put stuff inside right there as well. And if you guys want to store stuff in the side right here, you can definitely do that as well, if you can see. But when we open up this part right here, this is what the inside layer looks like. So there's definitely a lot more space right here to put stuff as well. So maybe you guys want to put like your tablet, if you guys want to put more stuff on here, maybe your power bank or your phone or whatever, you can definitely put that here as well. And if we open it again, there's some more compartments here. So if you guys want to put like your clothes or your documents or your laptop, you can definitely fit all of that on here. And then here's another compartment that you can put like your documents, your folder or whatever inside right here as well, if you guys want to use that option. And that's basically everything that's on the back right here. If you can see, it's very spacious and definitely put a lot of stuff on here. So if you guys want to put your laptop inside right here, it definitely fits. If you can see the bottom part right here is very spacious. It can definitely fit like a 16-inch laptop, which is what we have right here. And it's actually really cool how it has all the different features in here, such as a waterproof, fireproof, the lock option on top right here. So that way everything is secure and protected, no matter what the situation is. But that is basically everything that's on the back right here. Let me actually put on the shoulder strap to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so right here with the shoulder strap, let's put it on. So you just want to put it inside right here like this. Same thing for the other side as well. So once you guys put it in, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let me actually put this on to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you put it on the bag, this is basically what it actually looks like. So if the bag is too long or too short, you can always adjust it to make it shorter or longer based on your own preference. So this part right here is basically how you guys adjust it. So if you want it tighter, you can pull it down that way. If you guys want it looser, you guys want to pull it the other way like this. And that way it actually becomes much looser. I definitely love how they have this padding option right here. So that way you have to put it on the top part here for the actual padding and cushion when you guys actually use it, so it won't hurt your shoulder over time. But this is basically what the overall product looks like when you guys set it all up. Now let's just do a quick waterproof test and a fireproof test to show you guys whether it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the bag that is fireproof. Let's test it out. So I just want to turn on the lighter and light it up right here and see what happens. Alright, so we check the temperature on here. you guys can see that's really hot. It's around 300 something degrees. Whereas when you turn it on the other side, it's only 82. If you can see right here. So the product is definitely fireproof up to 2000 degrees like I mentioned. If you can see right now, it's still 200 something degrees while it's cooling down. So definitely the product is fireproof, but let's do a waterproof test and see when it's actually waterproof as well. Alright, so I got a little bit of water here. Let's test it out. Alright, you can see how the water just drips down like that. So the product is definitely waterproof, if you can see right here. So we just get a little piece of paper to wipe it off. It just comes off really easily. So definitely really cool how the product is fireproof and waterproof. So if you guys want to put like important documents in here, it's fully protected. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. You can definitely see that the product is waterproof and fireproof like I mentioned, which is pretty awesome. So when they mention how the product is waterproof or fireproof, there is a certain extent of how far it can go. So the fireproof protection, it can go anywhere up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it goes beyond that point, then it probably will not be able to protect it. And then in terms of the waterproof protection, it is waterproof in the outer layer. But when you guys look at the zipper compartment right there, it's not fully sealed to the point where it's waterproof for that part. But the actual bag itself, it is waterproof, like you guys can see in the test. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some kind of organizer or some kind of bag to organize all your stuff, ranging from your cards, your passport, your laptop, and other documents. If you guys want something that can store everything that I just mentioned, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.